Day 3, you guys. My personal challenge. 3 months every day. I have to climb a different mountain in the southeast side of Haiti. While the country is in shambles, I've been doing nothing but eating and sleeping and being lazy by fear of going out. I was getting depressed, and I decided to make something bad into something positive. So I decided to work out and explore the countryside. So here I am in Monn Plateau. It's really a beautiful place, and we're in Surf Haiti right now, and we're climbing up some more. We're going to monn, and we're going to turn around and go someplace else. So far, it's been 15 kilometers walk and hike, and I've enjoyed every second of it. I love it. 2.5 and plus days to go. I have a long way to go, but 3 months. Challenge to myself. I'm gonna do it. Wish me luck.